Hello, Gary Paxson. Welcome to the February edition of The Pulse. My guest this month is Dr. Chris Steele. He is our Chief Quality Officer for White River Health System, and it's a pleasure to have you with us today, Chris. Wanted to introduce, you're not new to the organization, you've been with us a year longer than I have, so going on 8 years this year, if I remember correctly. Been in a different role and transitioning into a new role, and so we want to introduce you to all of our employees, and so welcome. Glad to have you here today.
Yeah, thanks so much, Gary. It's been a pleasure. I did get here a year before you did, and actually I got here all the way back in 1981 when I was actually born at this hospital.
There you go.
Works out really nicely, it's always been a home to me in Batesville, and it was fun to come back almost 8 years ago, and it's been a blast the whole time we've been here. So.
Sure. Personal level, married, have 2 great kids, and family's doing well. So, you want to talk about them at all?
Yeah, my wife Amanda, she plans events here at the hospital, and she also is the director at the Alpha Center.
Yes.
They work with a lot of our patients here too, and do some great work. My kids are in kindergarten and 2nd grade, and those are fun ages. They're an absolute blast. So
very cool.
Really blessed, and they enjoy time with me, and they also are nice enough to give me time to spend here at the hospital, which is a lot of fun. So,
absolutely.
Yeah.
So anesthesiologist by background, formal training, that's what you came here for. And and over the years you've just had some personal desire to get involved at a higher level, done a lot of things at a national level, and kind of talk about what led you from just pure anesthesia into greater level of involvement at the state and the national level.
Well, I think some of this has stemmed from the fact that I still don't know what I want to do when I grow up. And so when I was training for anesthesia residency, I actually studied for the investment advisor law exam. I audited our billing department for anesthesia and was always interested in the finances of how hospital systems worked. And after I was chief resident, we actually negotiated a shared savings arrangement with the residents and the anesthesia department there. So I've always been interested in alternative payment models and how those things worked. When we started here at White River, we actually got into the health coaching program here. We partnered with Lyon College, and I was the medical director there. Dr. Seth Barnes and Dr. Bernard were also very instrumental in getting that going, and we still do that today. We were the first health coaching program in the state of Arkansas to partner with the college and have the most robust one going. It's continued to grow, serving our patients, and was really blessed to see that grow, to be able to work with the CRNAs in the anesthesia department. They're absolutely amazing. That department's been a real blessing to me personally. I was really fortunate to work with each and every one of them. And over that, we've been able to grow a lot of things. Dr. Jeff Angels helped with the perioperative surgical home program here. We were able to participate in the first perioperative surgical home collaborative in the nation. And me and Dr. Angel were actually on the steering committee for 2.0 for the PSH Collaborative, which was the second one, and now I'm the medical director nationally for the Perioperative Surgical Home Collaborative 2020. And so we've got about 40 institutions nationally, some bigger names like Mayo and other UC Irvine, Loma Linda, a lot of bigger university settings that we work with, and how a perioperative surgical home works, which standardizes care from the beginning of the decision to have surgery to after surgery. And Dr. Angels led the orthopedic team here and the collaborative as well to some great success in bundled payments, and we've been a leader nationally in that. And so this was a wonderful opportunity for me to take my role in the perioperative surgical home, also chief of staff over the last year or so, and hopefully use my relationship with the medical staff to synergize with all the work the administration has been doing so that we can move the hospital forward as far as in quality as well as finance. So I think it's an awesome opportunity to work together. So it should be a lot of fun.
Yeah, likewise. So formal part of the executive team now, really wanting to maintain that focus on quality. It's not just about the bottom line, it's about patient perception, it's about outcomes, and leveraging your relationship with physicians and everything. I'm looking forward to what we can continue to do. Out of the box thinker, enjoy what you bring to the table, and looking forward to what this year brings us. So
oh, it's going to be fun. I think there's a good complement here. You've got a nursing background yourself and an IT background, and I think with your clinical leadership and your kind of IT experience and your outside the box thinking, it's going to be fun to see what happens.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thanks for joining us today. Look forward to many more things to come and visiting with you later.
Yeah, it should be a lot of fun.
Appreciate it. For the month of February, our employees of the month from Stone County Medical Center, Robert Faulkner works at the lab at Stone County. Robert's been at Stone County for about a year, but with the health system for 4 years. Noted for his quality work and strong communication with other departments. Robert, thank you for your work. Thanks for being a great team player. Just makes such a great environment for all of us when all of us embrace that mentality. Congratulations to you. At White River Medical Center, Lisa Crumley, from our orthopedic liaison, has been with us for over 14 years. Lisa is invaluable to our organization, our orthopedic patients, both inpatient and outpatient. She was recognized for her demeanor. Lisa, congratulations to you, well deserved. Appreciate everything you've done for our organization for so many years and the value that you bring to us. From a news perspective, we have several events coming up. On March 30th at the Community Center here in Batesville, we're having a toast and roast. And at that event, we'll be honoring 3 distinguished gentlemen, Dr. Andy Davidson, Dr. E.J. Jones, and Mr. Gary Bebo. And it'll be a great opportunity to have some fun in a unique environment. Tickets are available through the foundation. You can call them and inquire about getting those tickets. But great event, a lot of fun. Come out and be able to honor these gentlemen with us. February is American Heart Month. We're promoting Healthy Hearts, and we have an email address for you to enter a contest. We're asking for you to submit 3 ideas of why you love your job, what it is that you love about our health system. You'll be entered into a drawing for something up to a Fitbit and some other prizes. So we would encourage you to submit those and talk about what it is you love about working here. Thank you for tuning in again today. Appreciate it. Have a great month of February, and we will see you again in March.